In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the Grok AI download problem. Let's get started. First, I go to the Google search bar and type in Grok. Once the results load, I look for the main Grok website option and click on it. This brings me directly to the Grok AI portal. Next, I move the cursor up to the address bar and click on the small settings icon right next to the URL. From the drop-down menu that appears, I select Cookies and Site Data. In the next small panel, I go ahead and click on Manage on-Device Site Data. A list of site connections appears on my screen, and I am going to click the trash bin icons to remove them one by one. I scroll down the list and continue by clicking the delete icon for twitter.com, then for the main grok.com entry. Once everything is cleared out, I click the Done button at the bottom right. A banner pops up reminding me to reload the page to apply the updated settings, so I click the blue Reload button. The website refreshes and prompts me with a cookie choice, where I click Accept All Cookies. Next, I click the Sign In button located at the top right of the page. The screen updates to show a redirecting status message, and then it takes me back into the main Grok user interface. To ensure the problem isn't related to my network connection, I open a new browser tab, go to the search bar, and type in Internet Speed Test. When the search page populates, I click on the link for Speed Test by Ookla. Once the page completely loads up, I click the large central Go button to start the test. I wait a brief moment while it establishes a connection and begins measuring my network speeds. The gauge moves up, and I see the download speed fluctuating before it levels off. I let the download portion of the test finish up completely, ensuring that my connection is strong and stable enough to process data. Next, the upload speed test triggers automatically, showing the gauge rise again. I wait for the upload reading to complete its cycle as well. The final results display nicely on screen, showing a healthy connection with high download and upload marks. With the network verified, I switch back to my previous browser tab where Grok is loaded. I head to the top right corner of the window and click on the three vertical dots to open the browser menu. I hover down to select Cast, Save, and Share, and from the sub-menu, I choose the option Open in Grok. A final clean refresh completes the process, successfully resolving the download issues and restoring full functionality. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.